Hello everyone and welcome back to the Peugeot 208, and today we are changing the number plate bulb unit. I think that's what it's called. We're calling it that now. So that's what the title is. This is not the actual bulb, this is the entire unit. I was trying to take the bulb out of it and I managed to break it, so we're replacing it. This is how you do it. First of all, we're going to get rid of the parcel shelf. Easy stuff, you know, we've all done it. And there you go, that can go now. And then we're going to get rid of the little side trim here. Now the side trim's only held in by one Torx bolt, and then just like these four internal clips that you need to pull on. So there's one, just one on each side. We need to get rid of both sides and pull on it like that. So that's where the screw was, and then you can see it's clipped on here. So there's one point here. The second one is there, and then there's two more points just at the top here. That's where it sort of pops in there, and you'll see that's uncovered our next screw at the back. So at the back here we've got four screws. We've got one here on the side, two in the handles, well, one in each handle, and one on the other side there. I found this one's easier to actually pull from the handle itself, just to pull it off. And here it is, we're off. These were all the clips here. If you do break any of these clips, don't worry. I think I did break one. I definitely broke that. I don't know what that was, but there you go. Yeah, these little blue clips, they are really common, so you can just find them online, or just pop in and pop into your Peugeot dealership and pick some up. But yeah, that's my broken one there. But like I said, they are common, and there are like 10 of them, so if you do break one, it's not going to end the world. Alright, moving on from the inside. You'll see here we've got both of the number plate units, and also the button for the remote. Well, I say for the remote, for the actual, when you press the button in, the boot unlocks. That one, that's in there in the middle there. So remember which one is broken and unplug it. There's a little latch just on the top there, you can see. That just pops open and then you can pull it free. Sweet. The next step here is to unlatch it from the other side. So you can see here it kind of just has this little catch there. Push that in and then pop it straight out of the outside. Now, whenever I buy parts like this, well, even genuine parts, I do like to compare them because things do change over the years, even if it is the same part number. Things do change. Peugeot were actually kind enough to put a bulb inside the unit as well. Another thing to check in case you're buying a second-hand unit or just an aftermarket part. It's always worth checking. This is 2012, this one, and the other one's from 2022. Again, also the other thing to check is the plug is actually the same. And there we go. So installation's quite easy. We put the plug side in first, and then it clips back into there with the latch there to make sure that's all pressed down. And there we go, working back from the inside, we're going to plug it back in, and make sure that plugs in. Make sure it actually clicks when you plug it in all the way. There we go, lovely, just like that. And then make sure it works. That's always the important bit. So there we go. You can see it with the other one. The other one is dirty, so that's why they do look different. But there we go. Let's put it all back together. And that's pretty much it, really. Putting it back together is just the reverse of how we took it all apart, so not much to say there. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed. This is the part number again. I am aware there is an LED version of this as well. I'm going to put the part number of that in the description for everyone. It wasn't something that I was interested in installing on this vehicle, but I am aware it is a thing that exists. So you can upgrade it to LEDs legitly and with OEM. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.